how to mute or unmute your voice or the other person's voice during live translate in the phone app on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, open up the phone application. After that, tap on the more button at the top. And from the pop-up menu, tap on settings. Now in the code settings page, we then go down and tap on live translate. Next, scroll down, and in the me section or the other person section, you can tap on mute my voice. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. And here it said, the other person will only hear a translation of what you say. And we scroll down, you can also mute the other person's voice, so you will only hear a translation of what the other person says. So you can turn it on or switch it off. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the home button or the back key to go back to your phone app on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.